For being aware in the instant from this and other information, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The number of people killed in China by the coronavirus has risen to 80, with almost 3,000 confirmed ill. The National New Year holiday has been extended by 3 days to Sunday, in an attempt to contain the spread. On Monday, Chinese Premier Li Keqiang visited Wuhan, the capital of Hubei province and center of the outbreak. The number of deaths in Hubei province has climbed from 56 to 76, with 4 deaths elsewhere. Wuhan is in lockdown and several other cities have imposed travel bans. The overall number of confirmed cases in China is 2,744. State media say more than 300 are critically ill. The BBC's Robin Brant in Shanghai says extending the main holiday of the year is a highly unusual move. But after the pre-New Year travel surge, the prospect of 500 million people getting back on trains, planes and buses and crisscrossing the country again is the last thing the government wants, he adds. At least 42 cases have been confirmed abroad, including in Thailand, the United States, and Australia. There have been no deaths outside China. The coronavirus causes severe acute respiratory infection and there is no specific cure or vaccine. Most of the deaths have been of elderly people or those with pre-existing respiratory problems. What is happening in Wuhan? Travel from the city, home to 11 million people, has been severely restricted and non-essential vehicles have been banned from the roads. At the Hubei border, workers are checking people's temperatures before allowing them into the province. The province has suspended emigration services, meaning Chinese citizens have been unable to get new visas or passports. The local government in Wuhan said no one from the city had left China in the past 4 days. Some 4,096 tourists from Wuhan are still out of the country. The emergency has overwhelmed Wuhan's hospitals. More than 500,000 medical staff have joined prevention, control and treatment operations in the province. 2 new makeshift hospitals are being built in the city and factories are rushing to produce masks and protective clothing. On Monday, Premier Li inspected the ongoing efforts, and spoke to patients and medical staff, a government statement said. The city's mayor Zhou Jinwang said the number of cases would continue to rise, and warned that around 5 million New Year travelers left the city before the lockdown. What is the situation in China? New Year celebrations were scaled back and 4 major cities, Beijing, Shanghai, Xi'an and Tianjin, have banned long-distance buses. Extending the New Year holiday until Sunday means schools and official institutions will remain closed for the rest of this week. Beijing has closed the Forbidden City for tourists, as well as a section of the Great Wall. In Guangdong province, several cities have made face masks mandatory in public. Both Disney parks in Hong Kong and Shanghai have closed. Hong Kong, which has 8 confirmed cases, has declared a citywide emergency, with schools closed until the 17th of February. Over the weekend, Chinese officials warned the virus was able to spread during its incubation period, making it harder to contain the illness. In humans, the incubation period, during which a person has the disease, but no symptoms, ranges from between 1 and 14 days, officials believe. What is the situation internationally? According to the World Health Organization and national authorities, there have been at least 42 confirmed cases outside China.